In this video, I will show you how to merge cells in a table in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, what does merge cells mean? When you merge cells, you combine two or more cells to create a larger one. So how do I do this? Well, first, let's select the cells that you wish to merge. Let's say I want these top 4 cells to be merged together. So select and drag until they're all highlighted. Then right click and we're going to select merge cells. Now it's become one large cell. Another way of doing this is using the ribbon at the top. So let's select our cells again, then click table layout. Then above merge, we're going to select merge cells. And now it's merged them all together. If you want to reverse this, of course, you can press Ctrl Z, which will undo. But you can also go to table layout, making sure this is selected, click split cells. And here I'm going to revert back to those 4 columns. So press 4 here and click OK. And now we have 4 columns like we did before. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to use tables in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.